Everyone, welcome to Barsa coaching classes. GK refresher questions are for today. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? 7. How many Bharat Ratna awards were given in 2024? 5. How many players were awarded Arjun Awards this year? 34. Who won CK Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Sachin Tendulkar. Which is the busiest bridge in India? Howrah Bridge. Which city is known as the City of Dreams? Mumbai. When GST was introduced in India? 2017. Which is the oldest language in India? Sanskrit. Which is the first national park established in India? Jim Corbett National Park. Which water body separates Andaman and Nicobar Island from each other? 10-degree channel. White crow is found in which country? Finland. Which country has most number of dams in the world? United States. Which vitamin is not found in fruits and vegetables? Vitamin D. Which sea is lie between Asia and Africa? Mediterranean Sea. Which is the smallest state of India by area? Goa. Which state is known as Spice of Garden in India? Kerala. Bihu is the folk dance of which state? Assam. Which is the fastest train in India? Vande Bharat Express. Which is the first city explored in India? Harappa. Which country is the famous for its pyramid and sphinx? Egypt. Rand is the currency of which country? South Africa. In today's history, today 17th April. In 1875, modern snooker were invented by Sir Neville Chamberlain, a bored British officer in Jabalpur, India. In 1983, India entered into space by launching SLV-3 rocket successfully. In 1975, Sarpalli Radhakrishnan, second President of India, died at the age of 86. In 1982, Canada Act proclaimed, which make it as a free Canada. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.